Martens are small carnivorous mammals belonging to the Mustelidae family, which also includes otters, badgers, and weasels. They are particularly known for their slender bodies, bushy tails, and luxuriously glossy coats. Martens love the forest. These critters are mostly found in the northern parts of North America and throughout Europe and Asia. They thrive in dense, old-growth forests where they can scamper up trees and leap across branches. Speaking of scampering, martens are exceptional climbers. Their semi-retractable claws and flexible bodies make them adept at navigating the vertical playgrounds of their woodland homes. Watching a marten climb is like watching an acrobat in action. These animals are omnivorous and have quite the varied diet. They primarily feast on small mammals like voles and squirrels, but they won't say no to berries, birds, and even the occasional honeycomb. Martens are solitary creatures, except during the breeding season or when mothers are raising their kits. They have large territories that they mark and defend vigorously against other martens. These creatures are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. During the day, martens rest in tree hollows or burrows, emerging at dusk to begin their nightly activities. Despite their cute appearance, martens are skilled predators. However, they also need to watch their own backs, as they are preyed upon by larger mammals and birds of prey. It's a wild world out there. Most marten species are currently stable, but habitat destruction and fur trapping have reduced their numbers in some areas. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure these fascinating animals continue to thrive in their natural habitats. Did you know that the fur of the marten is so luxurious that it was historically used as a form of currency in the fur trade? These days, martens are protected in many areas, highlighting their ecological and economic importance. I hope you found these facts as intriguing as I do. If you love learning about these fantastic creatures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. It helps a lot, and you won't miss out on more wildlife wonders. Until next time, keep curious and stay wild.